Hello everyone, can you hear that? Can you hear? All I can hear is birds. The bird song, sound of the rain, lovely and peaceful. Nobody nagging me, nobody bending my ear or telling me what to do. Child's at kindergarten, my daughter's at kindergarten. Lovely and peaceful and relaxing. Just bird song, the duck pond, sound of the rain. This is my most peaceful time of the day when I'm out with my dog, Emma, my best friend. Oi, what are you doing? You're going to be eating nothing. Good girl. Anyway, you all take care. Have a lovely day, everybody. I'm going to stand here for a few minutes more and just listen to the birds before I go back to where everybody is who wants something from me. Can't be a bit of peace and quiet in the nature. Anyway, look after yourselves. Have a good day. Hope you get some peace too. Bye for now.